Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to install the Instruqt CLI with a package manager like Homebrew, or manually from the latest release. The Instruqt command line tool can be used to initialize, format, and validate your lab. For this example, we'll be installing on a Mac, but if you have a Windows or Linux machine, head to our documentation page for more information. First, let's look at how to install with Homebrew. If you don't already have Homebrew installed, click on the link in our documentation and then copy and run the install command provided. Now that we have Homebrew installed, let's install the CLI. In our terminal, run brew install instruct tap instruct. Let's confirm the CLI has been installed correctly by running instruct lab help. Great job! That was easy. Now let's look at how to install the CLI manually. All Instruqt CLI releases are published on GitHub. You can grab the latest version for your OS at this link. In our terminal, first we'll download the CLI by running the following code. Now extract the CLI binary with unzip instruct.zip. Now copy the binary to your local bin directory, and then we'll make the binary executable with this bit of code. Finally, confirm the CLI was installed correctly by typing instruct lab help. Great job! For more information about getting started with Instruqt and installing the CLI, head to our documentation page.